Hi, Steve here from Property Hive. The core functionality of Property Hive revolves around properties. Let's look at the property list and how we can get to it in Property Hive. So we can go to Property Hive from the left menu and then Properties. And what I want to talk to you in this video about is this page here. So the first thing you'll notice is the filters along the top. So these are great for finding a certain property or a certain set of properties. You can search by address or reference number here in the top right, and that's a free type box. Or you can filter by a certain category. If we just look through the categories that are available to us, we can filter by department, marketing status, is it on market, not on market, featured only. If you're feeding to portals, so sending properties to the portals, you will also be able to filter here by only properties active on said portal. By status, by location, we don't have any set up here, but if we did, they would show. By office, so if you have multiple offices set up in Property Hive, you can filter by the office. Again, if you have multiple negotiators logging in and set up as users, you can filter by just their properties. And also added method. Now, if you were to have an import set up or multiple imports, you can filter by properties added via a particular import or ones added manually. You can change the columns that show in the table under screen options here, so we can turn them on and off. We can change how many properties show per page, so it's defaulted to 20, but we could increase that or decrease that. And then in terms of the columns and the data that shows, you'll see a small thumbnail of the image, the address, the full address, so house number right through to postcode, number of bedrooms and type if it's entered. If it's a commercial property, you'll see the size here, from and to, price, and price qualifier. Marketing status, we'll see the availability, whether it's on the market or off the market in this case. Whether it's featured, and if it was active on some of the portals, you would see which portals it's active on in this column as well. If you're recording the owner or landlord, we can see the details of the landlord or owner here. And you can also see the negotiator and which office it's assigned to here as well.